today we're going to be doing a little bit of a thrift flip. I went thrift shopping. I just got a couple things, and I'm literally only going to be doing 2 things, and they're basically the same thing. I got this yellow dude's men's shirt that I'm going to cut in like half for a half crop top, and I also have this dude's top right here which I'm going to do the exact same thing with. And whether this works out, I don't really know. Let's just hop straight into this. I'm not talented when it comes to like sewing or like making things, so we're gonna see how this goes, and hopefully it works out. But there's no guarantee. There's absolutely no guarantee. I also don't have a workspace, so we're just gonna be working on my bed. How am I gonna make sure this is like even? Okay, it's probably good, right? So I think I'm gonna cut it along here, right underneath this pocket. I'm just gonna freaking go for it, okay? I don't really care. It was like $3, so if it doesn't look good, I will not lose any sleep. You know what? I don't have a ruler, so we're just gonna be using this clothing hanger and hope for the best. And these aren't even like fabric scissors. I can smooth out the edges once I'm done. Okay, so I did it. This is what it looks like for the iPhone angle. Looks like this. Let's just sauce around and see what happens. Wow. I think I cut it too short. No. You know what? We're not gonna judge it just yet. I'm gonna go try this on with other clothing, and we're gonna see if it looks good or not. So this is what it looks like with a pair of mom jeans. It's actually pretty cute, and like it's a little short, but honestly, and I like how this front part here is a little uneven. It just adds a little bit of, you know, character to it. I think it's super cute. I like it. I'm definitely gonna take some cute pictures in this for sure. What do you guys think? Give it a thumbs up if you like this. This is the back. It's kind of a little funky on the back, but you know what? I like it overall. Good job, Kate. Let's get on to the second one. I think this time I'm going to go for a different approach. I'm going to button it up first. Maybe that will affect the accuracy. Like I said, I am not a seamstress or anybody that knows how to make anything, so I'm just kind of guessing here. This is a big old game of guessing. Oh shit, I need to take a before picture in this big boy before I do this. Disaster. Oh my god. This is what we have left here. Let's go try it on. So the sleeves are a bit wide, but honestly, other than that, it's pretty cute. And it's a little bit longer, so I get a little bit more tummy coverage, you know. Do you guys like this one? Let me know down below which out of the 2 was your favorite, because I think I love the color of this one, but I love the way that the other one fit. But I think both of these are going to be perfect for some cute pictures, so yeah. But this one's still cute and I like it for sure. Alright guys, so thank you guys so much for watching this thrift flip. I know it was pretty boring and pretty simple and like something that anybody can do, but that's the whole point, right? It's supposed to be easy. You guys are supposed to see this and be inspired and go do this. So this is meant to do. It's meant to inspire you, not teach you how to do anything, because I'm not really a good teacher. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Mwah. Peace.